It was planted here around 1800 and it fell down a couple of months ago in a bad windstorm. And there we have the remaining largest log. The jig is going to ride on these rails, and we're going to take off a nice big 6-inch or so slice. Things got a little hot on my hands. I'm going to have to cut a hole in here to let some more of the hot air out. So I've got the handle screwed down. I've got a block here up against the bar. I've got the handle held down by 2 screws going onto here. So it's not going anywhere. It's very solid. It wasn't quite enough, so I had to finish it off. Okay, so here's going to be our 220-year-old coffee table to go into the house where the guy lived who planted the tree in 1800.